Hi guys, this is a video on tuning performance check for a Toyota Aqua or a Prius C. So this is a video from the Garage Plus. And initially before the tune-up, what we do is basically we remove the cowl panel to access the EGR system. So the EGR system, you have to clean it as it recirculates exhaust gas back into the intake air system, and the exhaust gas it soot can build up in the exhaust gas recirculation system, and it can feed it back to the intake air induction system. So it restricts the intake airflow to the air induction system, basically the intake air system. So to maximize the intake airflow, it is necessary to clean the exhaust gas recirculation system in this tune-up process. Next, we remove the components related to the air induction system, like the air filter box, and then the hoses which leads the air towards the throttle body, and then we clean all the components, check the air filter, and we check the air filter for any blockage, replace it if it's necessary to be replaced. And now we are removing the coil injection system. So the coil injection system, we need to remove it to service the coil injectors and to do a flow inspection test. And now we are removing the intake manifold to clean the intake manifold, and then to access the intake valve for valve not blasting. And you can see the carbon buildup in this intake valve, so it is necessary to clean that as well. And now we have the exhaust gas recirculation system removed. The reason we have to remove the cowl panel is to access this. And now we are removing the ignition system to inspect the ignition coil and the spark plug condition as well. And now we are cleaning the removed components. We either clean it with an ultrasonic bath, or we use a sensor or component safe chemical. Like in this scenario, we are cleaning the throttle butterfly valve, and now we are cleaning the intake manifold. We are servicing the intake manifold, as you can see here, removing all the carbon buildup, and we will be cleaning the exhaust gas recirculation system like this in this procedure. And now we are cleaning the injectors using the ultrasonic bath, giving a pulse width using appropriate chemicals. So this is necessary to service the injectors. And after that, what we do is we do a flow inspection, and then we match the flow quantity of the injectors. You see all the flow is matched in this scenario. The injectors are pretty good. This is very vital for the engine tune-up service. And then we rebuild the injectors, replacing the necessary O-rings and the fuel injector filter as well. And now we are preparing for the valve blasting. So in this we use walnut to clean the intake valves. It is necessary to decarbonize the intake valves, as the carbon built up in the intake valves can absorb fuel from the fuel injectors. So the fuel injectors have to overfuel, actually overspray, for proper combustion. And as you can see the results of these blasted intake valves, it looks brand new. And next what we do is we clean the sensors with a sensor safe chemical, so that it can actually give proper inputs for the ECU to compute the appropriate fuel injection. And this is the results of a clean manifold and the clean EGR valve. You see it looks pretty much brand new from the inside. And now the clean butterfly throttle valve. And now it's good to fix all the components and to complete the tune-up. And now we are doing a testing and a pre-delivery inspection, and the results seems pretty good. I hope you will find this video interesting. Do follow for more. Thank you guys, the Garage Plus.